How to see recently watched reels on Instagram. So if you want to watch the recently watched reels on your Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you've opened, go for the bottom right, which has your profile icon. Once you're here on the profile, go for the upper right, which has that three-bar icon, and then go for settings and privacy. Or you may have your activity option. You can simply go for your activity. Here you may have your activity, tap on your activity, and then you will have the likes, comments, tags, and everything, right? So you need to simply go for whichever option that you would like. So if you want to see the reels, go for the likes, and once you're on the likes here, you will have all of the liked videos, right? So you can simply go for anything, and then you can see your liked videos or liked reels. Or you may also have the comments option. You need to simply go for the comments, and if you have commented something on someone's post, then you will have your comment history right here. And then you can go for tags, and then you can watch the tags and sticker responses and everything. So from here you can see the recently watched reels on Instagram, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.